Hi, this is CCU. In this video, we will explain who needs to apply for a work permit, the working hour limits, and how to apply for a work permit step by step. First, let's talk about who needs to apply for a work permit. International students studying in Taiwan must apply for a work permit before working. This includes international students, overseas Chinese students, and students from Hong Kong and Macau. One-year exchange students are eligible to apply for a part-time work permit. One-semester exchange students are not eligible to apply for a work permit. Next, let's look at the working hour limits. During the semester, students are allowed to work a maximum of 20 hours per week. During winter and summer breaks recognized by your school, there is no hourly limit. Now, let's talk about the application period and validity. Each work permit is valid for a maximum of 6 months. The validity period is usually divided into 2 parts. The fall semester permit is valid from September to February, and the spring semester permit is valid from March to August. You must apply before starting any work, and you are only allowed to begin working after your permit is approved. Now, let's go through the online application procedure. Open the Ministry of Labor online application system. The link is provided in the description. Choose work permit for foreign students, overseas Chinese students, and ethnic Chinese students. Click Apply for an account, then click Agree to apply. Fill in your personal information. All fields marked with an asterisk are required. Enter the verification code and click Confirm. After creating your account, set your account name and password, then click Sign In. Once logged in, choose New Application and Management, then click Student Application Management. Click Add Application, then click Agree. Please note that a new application is saved for only 7 days if it is not sent. Check your personal information and click Next Step. Fill in your school information and click Next Step again. Under the Work Permit Information section, choose your application type and application period. For the method of receiving the official document, it is recommended to select Electronic Official Document, which you will be able to download immediately after your work permit is issued. Then click Next Step. Now upload the required documents. Upload a copy of your passport, a copy of your student ID, your certificate of enrollment, and front and back copies of your ARC. Next, download the CCU International Student Work Permit pre-application form from the school website. The link is in the description. Fill in the form, then go to Ms. Abby in room 203 to get the official stamp. After that, scan the stamped form and upload it under the Other Documents section. After uploading all documents, choose a payment method. If you choose payment by post office, go to the post office on campus, pay the examination fee of 100 new Taiwan dollars, and ask the cashier for an examination fee receipt. The payment will be processed after approximately 2 days. Then click Next Step. Review your application carefully. After your payment is successfully processed, you will be able to send your application. Please remember to send your application within 2 days. If the application is not sent, it will be deleted after 7 days. After you send your application, you can download your work permit from the Student Application Management section once it is approved. Finally, let's talk about the types of work allowed. International students are allowed to work in legal job types such as the food and beverage industry, cram schools if qualified for language teaching, office or administrative assistant positions, language exchange or translation work, and on-campus jobs such as teaching assistants or lab assistants. Work in adult entertainment or illegal industries is strictly prohibited. This concludes the work permit application process. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We are here to help you.